Monroe.
433.
We found a dead pine at 106-670. We're ready to energize the fuse at 106-6695. $554 to Monroe.
554.
Okay, we got this tree off the line and everything, got it all cleaned up. And we're at FD078629. We're ready to energize. We are ready to re-energize RD118. We took a tree off the line at 065098.
Temple, everyone's back on. We are all clear. You guys are clear to head on in, head on home.